Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating risk. Power down and unplug the keyboard. Remove batteries if present. Next, warm the logo area for 20-30 seconds with a hairdryer on medium to soften adhesive. Once heated, slide dental floss or thin fishing line under an edge. Use a gentle sawing motion to separate the logo from the plastic surface. Make sure to keep steady pressure. If you feel resistance, reheat briefly. This avoids plastic cracking and preserves surrounding ledges. You continue the separation by alternating sawing and gentle lifting. Once the floss has cut most adhesive, use a plastic pry tool to support the underside and lift incrementally, keeping the angle low so you don't peel layers of plastic. If the logo tears, reapply heat and work the remaining adhesive with the floss. Once loose, lift slowly. This preserves any backlighting or switch components. Make sure to check for adhesive remnants clinging to edges before cleaning. You finish by removing adhesive residue. Apply 90% isopropyl to a microfiber cloth and rub gently until clean. If residue persists, use a small amount of adhesive remover on a cotton swab. Test first in an inconspicuous spot to ensure no paint lift. Once clean and dry, reassemble keys and reconnect power. Test each key. If a key sticks or lighting fails, check for trapped fibers or displace stabilizers, reheat and reseat parts, or consult a replacement keycap as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.